Introduction to cost accounting. Way back to 15th century, no accounting system was there and it was the barter system prevailed. It was in the last years of 15th century Luca Pacioli, an Italian, found out the double entry system of accounting in the year 1494. Later it was developed in England and all over the world up to 20th century. During these 400 years, the purpose of cost accounting needs are served as a small branch of financial accounting, except a few like Royal Wallpaper Manufactory in France, 17th century, and some iron masters and potters, 18th century. The period 1880 AD 1925 AD saw the development of complex product designs and the emergence of multi-activity diversified corporations like DuPont, General Motors, etc. It was during this period that scientific management was developed, which led the accountants to convert physical standards into cost standards, the latter being used for variance analysis and control. During the World War I and II, the social importance of cost accounting grew with the growth of each country's defense expenditure. In the absence of competitive markets for most of the material required for war, the governments in several countries placed cost-plus contracts under which the price to be paid was cost of production plus an agreed rate of profit. The reliance on cost estimation by parties to defense contracts continued after World War II. In addition to the above, the following factors have made accountant to find new techniques to serve the industry. 1. Limitations placed on financial accounting. 2. Improved cost consciousness. 3. Rapid industrial development after Industrial Revolution and World Wars. 4. Growing competition among the manufacturers. 5. To control galloping price rise, the cost of computing the precise cost of product/service. 6. To control cost, several legislations passed throughout the world and India too, such as Essential Commodities Act, Industrial Development and Regulation Act, etc. Due to the above factors, the cost accounting has emerged as a specialized discipline from the initial years of 20th century i.e. after World War I and II. In India, prior to independence, there were a few cost accountants, and they were qualified mainly from ICMA, now CIMA, London. During the Second World War, the need for developing the profession in the country was felt, and the leadership of forming an Indian institute was taken by some members of defense services employed at Kolkata. However, with the enactment of the Cost and Works Accountants of India Act, 1959, the Institute of Cost and Works Accountants of India, now called as the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, was established at Kolkata. The profession assumed further importance in 1968 when the Government of India introduced cost audit under Section 233(b) of the Companies Act, 1956. At present it is under Section 148 of the Companies Act, 2013.